Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, HUAWEI MatePad Pro 12 and 6 2022, and now I can show you how to record screen on this device. Firstly, open Control Panel by swiping from up to down, from upper top right corner, and then just swipe down this button from up to down, and here you will see Screen Recorder button. Then just click on it, and here you can choose microphone mode. Touch here to turn the microphone on or off. Why I can't change it? Okay, just click agree, click go it, and as you can see here we can disable mic or enable mic. Here we can hide touches and show touches, and that's it. Now we can show something to viewers, or and on the end of recording you can just press on this icon to end your recording. Then just open it, and as you can see, screen was successfully recorded. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.